Welcome to Steel Construction Detailing. Steel detailing services are at the core of every successful construction project, acting as the vital communication link between architects, engineers, contractors, and fabricators. At Steel Construction Detailing, our structural steel detailing services guarantee that every project is executed with nearly 100% accuracy and precision, minimizing costly errors and delays. This unwavering attention to detail is indispensable for both commercial and residential structures. Our comprehensive suite of services covers every aspect of structural steel detailing. We specialize in the creation of approval drawings, shop drawings, erection drawings, three-dimensional steel modeling, steel connection design, bill of materials, and anchor bolts plans. Our skilled engineering team leverages advanced CAD software tools such as Advanced Steel and Tekla to deliver detailed, error-free outputs. Clients choose Steel Construction Detailing for our qualified team, proven track record, and ability to handle projects of any complexity. We seamlessly integrate with computer-assisted manufacturing methods and deliver tailored solutions, making us a trusted partner for reliable steel detailing outsourcing. Thanks for listening to us, and do subscribe our channel for further updates.